Hey guys, today we're gonna do Lab 3 with Unity 6 because their navmesh agents is different between Unity 6 and previous versions. So I'm doing this for Unity 6 specifically. So if you are using Unity 2022, you don't have to watch this one. You can watch the other one instead. So first, after you have Unity 6 open, you check on your game object and see if you have AI option. If you don't, go to Window, Package Manager, and download AI navmesh. Just go to Unity registry and search for this one. And after you have it downloaded, you should be able to see this AI option. And the first thing I'm gonna do is create a navmesh surface. I'll just name it map for now, and I just make the icon smaller. And next I'm gonna put stuff in this navmesh surface. So I go to the assets that I downloaded and set its position to 0, 0, 0. You don't have to do 0, 0, 0. I just want to make it easier to edit. Okay, now I have all the surfaces, and let's now go back to our navmesh surface and click on bake. And as you can see, now everything is covered in blue, and that means that part is walkable. But let's come here and take a look at our navmesh surface. As you can see, we have few options. Agent type means which type of agent we want. You can create your own agent. If you want to edit your agent, click here, open agent settings. And as you can see, here are different options, and we will look into all of them very soon. And let's go back here. Here is object collection. Right now it has all game object selected. And if I go to current object hierarchy and bake again, now you can see there's nothing in it. That's because it will only bake the children of that navmesh surface. So I drag everything into the map, so the map is the parent. And now let's do current object hierarchy. As you can see, everything is baked. And next I'm gonna put on some objects to block the way, and I'll just choose this ones. Okay, and next actually I'll put on a bed. Now let's go back to map and bake again. Now as you can see, like, nothing changes. That's because this things needs to go into the mesh surface as well, otherwise it won't be counted. Now as you can see, like, it's still walkable, but it's actually not. Now let's bake again. Now it's function normally right now. And now let's try edit our agent properties. First, we can change the name. I'll just leave it humanoid, and here is a radius. If I change this to 4, like, it'll be a huge person, and I bake again. Oh, oops. No, it's too big. Actually, I'll do 0.3, I guess, because it covers it's too big. If I don't want our character to pass here, I'll change it to 0.5 actually. Now if I bake again, now you can see this path is blocked, which means our character won't be able to pass here. And another one is height. Height means like how tall is our character. If I do this and even higher, and then I bake again. Sorry, the recording cut off. And let's start from here. I changed something, but don't worry. So I'll bake again. Now you can see our character will be able to pass here. That's because our character is short. Yes. If I do this and change this back to 1, our character won't be able to pass. That's what height does. And step height means how high our character can like climb, pretty much. So if I change this back to 3 and bake again, bake. Now as you can see, our character will be able to walk up here. And next is max slope. It means how high, like the maximum degree our character can climb. So for example, this one, I'll change this to 60. Actually, negative 60. And put it here, big again. And you can see our character won't be able to climb up here. And then I'll try negative 50 instead. Actually, 40. Yes. And big again. Now you can see they're connected now. And it means our character will be able to walk up here. And let's go back. Then it's drop height and jump distance. So I already did this part, but don't worry, I'll redo it. So first, let's you shouldn't have this toggle right now, and yours should look like this. Sorry. Where is it? Oh, you shouldn't have this toggle. So like this. And what this does is it generates links between different platforms, and if that's within this range, a link will be generated, and our character will be able to jump from this to this. And this tool basically means how high it can drop down, and this one means how far it can jump. So if I change this to 0.1, I'm pretty sure it won't generate because it's too far. And for drop distance, if I do this, no, and bake again, as you can see, nothing is being generated, and it's clearly within 4. And the reason why is you have to make sure these platforms are aligned like this, like this. Yes. And bake again. Now you can see 2 links are generated. And now let's test our character. Don't worry about the purple. It's just yours should look blue right now. And I have scripts ready, and scripts are the same with the ones in PDF. And let's find our character. Okay, let's dragon out to RPG hero. And then I'll add components. First is the controller, script, and then navmesh agent. Okay, should be good. Oh, never mind. We need to find a target. I'll pick this one and drag this in here. Next, I'll start the game. Now you can see our character is going to the target and can climb up, and it can go down as well, but it can't go up. If you want our character to be able to climb up, you need something else that is called navmesh link, and you can rename it, but I'll just leave it like that. And now you can drag your 2 cubes to different platforms, and this one to the platform that is down here. And when you see the little circle, it means 2 platforms are connected. As you can see, here are a little circle after I put it on the navmesh surface. And now let's go back and start the game again. Now, as you can see, it's going to the target. If I drag it here, and it's gonna come up as well. And there is one thing that actually two things I want to mention about this is the width. Like, if we change this to like 3, it's gonna, our character will be able to go down from here and here. Like, he doesn't have to come to this exact point. And bidirectional, it means like it goes two different ways. But if you toggle it down, it can only go up or go down. Depends on how you place those cubes. Just want to make sure if it's recording. And there's one more thing I want to mention is area. Now, as you can see, this part is purple, and actually, to customize a single floor that is in this navmesh surface, you can't really do it like this, because if you click on not walkable and bake, everything's gonna be not walkable. But I did something here, and I'll change this back to walkable again, and click on this. As you can see, I added a script that is called navmesh modifier. You can do it on any of those navmesh modifier and click on override. Then you can change that single floor. So over here, I'll just change that to jump and map, bake again. Now, as you can see, this part is for jump and this part is for crouch, which you don't have because it's my custom area. And come back, you can come here and you can create your own, like you can do fly or anything. And as you can see, like if our character walk on these areas, where's my target? Here. It's not actually jumping. This part is for jump and this part is crouch. But he's not actually doing that. That's because it's just a name, and you can think about it like how much energy it costs to go through that area. For example, here it's very hard to walk on, like it's muddy road, and this part is a flat road that is easy to walk on. So if you walk on this road, it will take you 100 energy, but on this one you only take 1 energy. And I'll do a example. So if I start the game now, and as you can see, it's going to the target, but if I drag it here, it's going to do a rotation instead of going straight to it. That's because this area takes 100 energy per unit. That's what area does. And yep, I guess that's pretty much it, and thank you guys for watching. For submission, just take a look at the PDF and just let me know that you know what you're doing and you will be fine. And remember to explain those properties of agents, and also remember to try out the this script. Is the one that makes your character go to wherever your mouse click.